I've been researching my great-great-great-grandmother, who was a Victorian photographer called Julia Margaret Cameron, and discovering some things I didn't know about her. She was criticised by her peers for being a bit messy. A lot of photographers at the time were basically scientists. She was an artist, and it shows. And messy, and it shows in her prints. They're all covered in scratches and smudges, and I've really found myself identifying with her because my work is really messy. All of my videos are shot and edited and uploaded in a day. I want to work fast, and my paintings are the same. Got myself a super cheap little plastic tripod the other day to mount a DSLR to. So the gear is not interesting, but it is interesting in as much as we've been recording our lives for posterity or landfill for just over 100 years now, and I got very into film photography largely thanks to a photographer called James Revilius, who was the son of a painter called Eric Revilius, and they were both, well, Eric Revilius was from Great Bardfield, so one of the East Anglian artists of the interwar years, and his son James moved down to Devon, and he sort of documented the last living exponents of a rural life which we'll never see again, I wouldn't think, in this country. So people who had 3 sheep, herding them through the valley. Gary Stevenson has left YouTube. I saw the thumbnail of his latest upload. Time to say goodbye. I haven't watched it yet. I don't like long goodbyes, and he'll be back, I'm sure. This is the most beautiful old road, and the oldest, most beautiful road. So yeah, his work here is done, and can this thing keep up? This glorious lane, I very much doubt it. His work here is done, and he's knackered, and he's sick of being called an idiot by idiots, and I totally get that. Not that that's ever happened to me, but he's exhausted, banging his head against the wall, and I think he's going to go down as a hero. Well, he already is a hero for lots of us. A little bit faster. The thing is, once you've lost him, you've lost him. And I don't mean the drone, I mean Gary Stevenson. No, he'll be back, man. He'll be back. He'll write another book. I think he's got so much compassion that's sorely lacking in his peers. You know, they're sociopaths. These traders, literally gambling on the well-being of the population. And like he says, you know, shouldn't we do something about it? We've already put the trade on, Gary. Skids and wheelies, yeah, Chris from Bike World. I don't exactly fit into his demographic. Just riding, pootling along. But yeah, aren't we lucky that Mr. Stevenson existed? I think so.